Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a fair price, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2015 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, tilt steering wheel, wipers, variable speed intermittent, vanity mirrors. Come take a test drive today.